Here's how to fix voice chat if it's not working on Roblox mobile. Now, if you're in the Roblox app and let's say you're playing a game here and it's not working for voice chat, the first thing you need to do is hop out of the app and check something in the settings of your iPhone or Android. So let's open up the settings here and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. After you've done that, let's scroll down until you find the Roblox option and tap on that. Make sure microphone is toggled on. This might have accidentally toggled off. Make sure it is enabled on your iPhone or Android. However, we also may need to make sure it's enabled in the app itself. So to do that, let's open up the Roblox app, tap on the More button at the very bottom right, and then scroll down and tap on Settings. After you've done that, let's tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. And then you can see that third option, communication. Now, they used to have a voice chat option here. Now it's voice data usage. If it says voice chat for you, just turn it on. However, if it says voice data usage, make sure that is on as well. After you've done that, let's go add here and still in your settings, go to account info and make sure your phone number is verified. You need a verified phone number to be able to do this. And when you scroll down, your age group needs to be 13 plus for this to work. After you've done that, let's go back into a game and enable the voice chat option or VC. So let's scroll down, open up, for instance, Steal a Brain Rot and hit play. Now, once this loads, I'll show you how to turn on that microphone. We're going to do two different things. The first thing is that we're going to check at the very top for that microphone icon. You can tap on it to turn your microphone on, and you can see now it is green, indicating my microphone is working. The next thing we're going to do is tap on the Roblox icon at the top left, and then we're going to go over to Settings, and here you can see Voice Chat. All you need to do if that is set to disconnected is to tap on it again so that it is set to connected. You might also want to go down to Input Device. You can see Input Device, Default Core Audio Input. You can always switch it over to other options if you have headphones in that might have a microphone or something like that. Change the input device and then you'll be able to check to see and it should work for your microphone.